In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a playlist on Spotify. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to make your own playlist, add your favourite songs, organise your music and start listening whenever you want. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Spotify and tech tutorials. Now, I'm going to be using the Spotify app to do this, but the steps are the same if you do use the Spotify web player. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Spotify and log into your account. Now, once you log in, if you look to the left-hand side, in the Your Library section, you're going to see an option to create playlist. Give it a click and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now you can change the name from here, so if you actually click where it says my playlist, you can give your playlist a name. So I'm going to call this Tech Tutor's playlist. You can also choose a photo for this playlist as well. So if you give that a click, it's going to open up your computer's file explorer. What I've done is just added my channel logo as the playlist photo, and if you want you can also add an optional description. Once that's done, you can choose whether to make your playlist private or you can make it public. And then what you can do is click save to apply your changes. Now once that's done, to actually add songs to your playlist, all you need to do is search for a song on Spotify. So if I come up here, I'm going to search for a song. And from here, to add this to your playlist, just come to the right hand side of the song, click here onto the three dots where it says more options, and you're going to see in this menu the option to add to playlist. So when you hover over this, you're going to find your playlist here. You can also create a new playlist as well, but you just of course want to click onto your playlist and that's going to add the song to your playlist. So that's how to create playlist on Spotify. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.